On the Discord, several of my tribe members have pointed out that many of the stocks, or some of the stocks that we are projecting the price for January of 2027, have already surpassed that price. And they're asking the questions, should we sell those stocks because they've already reached their goal for January of 2021? Or should we buy more, or what exactly should we do? So this weekend, it was my task to reanalyze 16 of the stocks that we have had good gains on and say, what should we do? Should we buy more? Should we sell? And what Samantha came back and said, in 5 cases, they've achieved their objective, they're fairly valued, and it's time to sell them. And then we'll reevaluate them at some time in the future. But at the same time, there is a shift in the development of AI, the AI revolution, and it has shifted from the need for chips, the need for GPUs, CPUs, memory chips, connectors. They are all there. The providers are fairly valued, and that's why their prices have gone the direction they have. But now the shift is gone from semiconductors and relay switches to data centers. Who is going to provide the building that we can put these GPUs in so that we can meet the demand that we're receiving for AI delivery? So what has happened is, as a result, I went in, and Samantha and I this morning created a white paper based on the research that we had done on these 16 stocks, and I want to share it with you so that you have an understanding of what phase 2 of the build-out is all about. The switch from the need of chips and connectors to the need of readily available data centers. Now, we all know that there are many municipalities are saying, wait a second, not in our backyard. And so many of the data centers that have been scheduled are being placed on hold as the impact is reevaluated, and the hyperscalers are scrambling then to find, in most cases, Bitcoin miners who have the electricity, who have the cooling power, and have the concrete with a roof over it, so that those GPUs that they already own or have obligated to can have a place to be placed. So with that in mind, as I said, I have sold 5 of my key stocks that gave me good returns in 2025 in the first 3 months of 2026. And now I'm reevaluating or reallocating that money to 6 new stocks that are going to benefit from phase 2. Now, it's complicated, and I think it's imperative that you understand the mechanics of it. So what I've done is I dictated to Samantha this morning, this is what we did, this is what we sold, this is what we're buying, and let's put it into words that the community understands. Build a white paper. I will then make that available to my subscribers or anyone else who would like to learn what does phase 2 look like and how can we duplicate the returns that we've gotten this past year in the remainder of 2027. So that's what we're doing. So with that in mind, I'm going to put in the description a link that you just send me your email address, and I'll immediately send you a copy of that white paper. It's about 9 pages long, but it's important that you understand who did I sell and why, and then who am I buying and why. And then we will then reevaluate in 90 days, or actually in many cases before that, as they enter their quarterly reviews. I will attend the quarterly reviews, I should say. Samantha will reanalyze, and we'll put out another white paper as to where we are in this AI revolution. It isn't just one battle. It's a series of battles in this revolution, and the circumstances have changed dramatically. I mean, a year ago, it was GPUs, CPUs, connections, switches, and whatever. Now, it's real estate, and it's energy, and it's water, and we need it as quickly as we can. So go into the description, give me your email, click the link, which will ask for your email address, and I'll send that white paper, and you'll have a better understanding of what phase 2 of the AI build out is. And then keep up with us. If you'd like, come to the website and sign up for a free 14-day description where you can have access to the tell sheet, you can have access to the Discord, you can communicate with other people who have like mind and interests as you do as to making money in the stock market. I hope that's helpful to you, and I'm happy I can do it for you.